This video shows you how to add transitions to PowerPoint. Open your presentation in PowerPoint. Select the slide that you want to add a transition to. Click the Transitions tab. You'll see a bunch of transitions that are available. Click the arrow icon to see more options. Select your effect options if available. Click Preview. You'll see this button in the far left corner of the editing ribbon. This will preview the transition again, along with your sound, duration, and effect options choices. You can go back and tweak any of those settings to get your transition just right. Click Apply to All if you want to use the same transition between every slide in your presentation. If you don't do this, you'll be able to use multiple different transitions throughout your presentation. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.